Unlock a world of rewards and smart spending with the Wells Fargo Autograph Card and this ultimate guide to maximizing its benefits. First, let's talk about earning potential. The Wells Fargo Autograph Card shines. When it comes to everyday spending, you'll earn a fantastic 3 points per dollar on travel, dining, gas, and popular streaming services. That means every flight you book, every delicious meal you enjoy, every fill-up at the pump, and every binge-watching session racks up points. But it doesn't stop there. You'll also earn a solid 1 point per dollar on all other qualifying purchases. Ensuring you're always earning something back on your spending, keep an eye on these bonus categories, as they're where the real magic happens for accumulating points quickly. Now, how do you make those points work for you? Redemption is straightforward and flexible. You can redeem your points for cash back, travel, gift cards, or statement credits directly through your Wells Fargo online account or mobile app. Think of those points as cash to offset future travel expenses, pay for a nice dinner, or simply reduce your card balance. To truly maximize your autograph card and even build your credit, responsible usage is key. Always aim to pay your statement balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. This allows your rewards to significantly outweigh any potential costs. Remember, the Wells Fargo Autograph Card is a powerful tool for earning rewards and building credit. When used wisely, track your spending, understand the bonus categories, and redeem your points strategically. Happy earning.